I am the practical mentor who gives you practical life hacks. Do you want to be confident in public speaking? Here are some lessons on how to pronounce the words correctly. Words ending in S as final S. What is the sound of S in the following words? Knots, 6, claps, chiffs. The sound of S in these words is S. Observe the sound before the S. If that sound is voiceless, then the S sounds S. How do we know that the sound is voiceless? Fill your voice box by slightly pressing your 4 fingers to it. Then produce the sound. Follow what I am doing. Let's try the word knots. The sound before the S is T. Produce the sound 3 times. T, T, T. Do you feel any vibration? If there is no vibration, then the sound is voiceless. Therefore, the sound of S in the word knots is S. Knots. Example: the couple ties the knots and jumps for joy together. How about the word 6? The sound before the S is K. Produce the sound 3 times. K, K, K. K is voiceless. Therefore, the sound of S in the word 6 is S. 6. Example: Jenna seeks advice from her parents. Let's take the word claps. The sound before the S is P. Produce the sound 3 times. P, 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 P is voiceless. Therefore, the sound of S in the word claps is S. Claps. Example: the dog receives claps from the audience as she kicks the ball. In the word chiffs, the sound before the S is F. Produce the sound 3 times. F, 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 F is voiceless. Therefore, the sound of S in the word chiffs is S. Chiffs. Example: the chiefs submit reports on time. Try to pronounce the words correctly. If you consider this helpful, please like, subscribe, and share this tutorial video. See you next time!